Hello. Thanks for dropping in. David Bradley from the pet room here. I have a bit of a mystery here. I was in the basement and I found this floppy drive. It does not say 1, it does not say 0, it says actually 0, it says nothing. But it is not from a 4040. It's not. This board is very different. It also has a whole lot more cables, a whole lot more things, and I'm just not sure if it's one that I should cherish as a potential donor for an 8050 or an 8250 or not. I don't know. It is a Camden Magnetics Corporation TM 100-3 173000-002. Oh, it's got a funky. It's very different. Very different underneath. I mean, it looks similar, but this is all different. I wonder if it's a double-headed thing. I think, but of course I can't see. I can't see. Does this screwdriver do these screws? Not at all. Does this screwdriver do these? Yes, yes it does. So it has a very similar setup. Now, but I don't know if this came out of an IBM thing or a Commodore thing, or I don't know. I was down there looking for things, and I found this thing. Are there more screws? I don't think so. Well, one thing I see. Well, I don't think it's double. I think it could be, but the board could be double-sided. But I only see one read-write head thing. So I'm going to slide this back. First, I'm going to unplug all this stuff here. 8. Oh, I see. That's good. All the little connectors have numbers on them. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that would make it harder to get it in the wrong place. And they're all little connectors. So now it should slide. Oh, there's another thing here. What is this thing? Oh, yeah, there's a little Weasley thing. Oh, there's 2 of them. Well, that definitely looks Commodore-like. And let's dig into the same kind of things that are used to attach boards inside the pet. But does it need to come off? Maybe it doesn't, because it's just attaching stuff to some shield thing. Hang on. Let me just push. There's a little slidey. Oh, yeah. Nope, they don't need to come off. See, there's little ridges on the board. Right there, right there. That, like the others, you put them in, slide them in, and they're in. So what is this used for? I don't know. Boy, it has a very different setup on the stepper motor. Same kind of belt thing. You know what I might do? Oops. What happened there? Okay, something did not go well there. Did I just break something, or was it broken? I don't know. I don't think I broke something. What happened there? Well, 96 tracks per inch SSR. What is this? Oh, okay. I think what's happened is there are these little plasticky things here just a second. Try and get this open. Inside the drive door, these little plasticky white things, hard to see. I think they have slipped out of their designated area. I think they've slipped to the inside. I think there's a little groove that they're supposed to be in, and they're not. Do I need to be worried about this at this moment? Perhaps not. Oh, let's reach in here. Look for a screwdriver that is long. See, the thing of it is, if I get them pushed out, and I'm not lined up, then I probably have to figure out how to get them back in. You know what? I'm not going to worry about this now. What I was just about to do is pick up this phone and do a search and see if anything comes up in the world. Okay. And TM 100-3. TM 100. And actually, that might have been 2. Nope, it's a 3. Let's see if anything comes up here. The disk drive consists of a spin. Yeah. Oh. Please find out. Pages on paging. Fixing old disk drive with 3D printed parts. So what were they used in? I don't know. Shannon TM. Well, I don't know. Anyway, I'm not going to do anything with it. I'm not going to hurt it. I'm not going to disembowel it for the motor or anything like that. I see a similar one online. Maybe some people still replace these things. Someone is selling one. Ooh. It was Drive B from an IBM 5160. Anyway, I guess once I get into the 8050s, I'll have an idea of what it could be. So I guess for the moment, I will get out a bag. Oh, but I need to put that board back on. Right. Okay. Tandem. TM 100-3. One 7 3 0 0 0 dash 0 0 2. Mystery. I will let that dry a bit. And I will not worry about the mysterious trouble with the opening and closing system. Get the screws to place, put them on. Right. It's funny how, oh, there we go. With things like this, there's hardly a place for the thing not to line up, but it's funny how things always find a way not to line up. So I'm suspecting that possibly this board, the upper board, could possibly be good for a dual-headed drive as well as a single-sided drive, because there are other little ports here, or connectors here, that are not used, including one that is right by the head connector. But that would make sense because, you know, if it's the same board, why would you make stuff and leave it off? Okay. Oh, boy, these connectors are tight. All right. Push these into position. Not that it matters that much. Okay. Some of them are tough. Okay. So, will this ever be helpful? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe it's for an 8050. They did have, a lot of them had the pop down things, but a few, had the same kind of closure as the 4040, which this has. Okay. It's in. Now, will it seal? It doesn't matter too much if it won't, but I would rather that it did. And I think the answer is no. But this too, it could go sit down here gently, where it will do no harm. Anyway, if you know what that drive is for, let me know. Just another mystery here in the pet room, where I'm working to clear the desk and get organized. Bye for now.